Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Following Forward Financial, just bringing you another video today. Another one that caught my eye and might be one for you to watch. Again, this is Jay. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I don't give tax advice or legal advice. I'm just here stating my opinion. I just started my channel a little bit over 2 weeks ago. Should have about 30 subscribers by now. Shooting for 50 by the end of the year, and then we'll just try to double that in January and going forward. Just bringing some videos on some stocks that kind of caught my eye. Some of you out there might have already been watching this one. I've heard a lot of people talking about it, and I'll just point out a couple things why it caught my interest. I believe it's called Ocugen. That's how I'm going to say it. If it's wrong, if somebody out there would correct me, but that's how I'm going to pronounce it. Ocugen, ticker OCGN. I do not own any of this one yet. Just still kind of watching it, but as you can see, some of the action that it's had, it just kind of really took off on the 21st, and so that's why it kind of caught my eye. Just kind of peaked there and kind of went down on the 24th, and as you know, that was a short day, so in regards to the holidays. So anyway, if you don't know what this company is, Ocugen Incorporated engages in the development and commercialization of therapies for eye diseases. So that's another reason why it caught me. I had cataracts, had them taken out when I was in kindergarten, first grade. My sister's also an optometrist, so that's another reason why this one interested me. Its pipeline includes some of this information here. The company was founded by these two individuals in 2013 and headquartered in Malvern, Pennsylvania. So it's kind of a small company, small market cap. As I told you in one of my last videos that I did today, I don't really do anything under $1 billion. I think even $1 billion is kind of a small company, but I do like to watch pharma companies. They are interesting to me. Anyway, moving on, some information that I found about Ocugen establishes Vaccine Scientific Advisory Board. In regards to the 23rd, a leading biopharmaceutical company focused on discovering, developing, and commercializing a pipeline of innovative therapies today announced the appointment of a Vaccine Scientific Advisory Board comprised of leading academic and industry experts in the vaccine field to evaluate clinical and regulatory path to approval U.S. market of and you can go ahead and finish that one if you'd like to pause it. I'm not going to read it all to you. I just thought it was rather interesting. This is the part that interested me even further when I started looking into this one. As you already know, if you've listened to some of my other videos, my very first one was about Pfizer. I'm a Pfizer bull. Some days I almost talk myself out of it and become a bear on it. If you've kind of watched some of the Pfizer action. Again, they're in the CV market as well as numerous other markets in regards to some of their products that they turn out. But you can go ahead and do your own research on that. As you can see, the individual, he was Chief Technology Officer at Pfizer Biotherapeutics, and prior to that, COO and CSO of Nucleonics. So we have some really good individuals who have some great past experience, as well as Pfizer and Nucleonics. So the more I read about this company, again, I'm not going to read it all to you. Go ahead and pause it and you can read it yourself. Anyway, the more research I do about this company, it just sounds real interesting to me. Again, here's another individual on with Pfizer for over 25 years. Worked as a pharmaceutical industry physician leading the global development of pharmaceuticals, vaccine, and biological drugs. So they have a lot of tenure, if you will, a lot of experience going into this company. It's going to be one to watch. Again, this is on Yahoo Finance. But there's just lots of people doing research. Again, I thought it was really interesting. Some really big names from some other companies. Again, I'm not going to read it all to you. There's some more information here on Market Watch. Just kind of bringing a different perspective to you. Different people like different websites. Again, you can kind of see the growth. It's just been kind of flat up until here recently. So I found this one. I thought it was kind of interesting. 5 things for investors to know as Ocugen soars 100%. And again, I hope I'm saying that right. But anyway, again, the ticker is OCGN. Stock is continuing to rise higher on Wednesday following news yesterday that helping develop a vaccine for novel CV. And you can read that word for yourself. Again, I don't want to hurt my channel. I'm just getting started here. Yesterday's news revealed that the company is working alongside Bharat Biotech to bring its CV vaccine to the United States. This will have OCGN handling development and commercialization in the country. Roth Analyst believes this will be a strong source of funding and revenue for the company. So another one getting into the CV. The more the merrier, better, so we can get on with our lives, but I'm not going to go down that road. Anyway, adding to the positive Ocugen news on Tuesday, the company also revealed plans to adjourn its annual meeting of shareholders until January 13, 2021. So this will be an interesting one to watch through that date. Will also allow shareholders of OCGN stock to have more time to vote on its shares and increase in plan. The company was planning to increase shares by 500,000, but a new amendment seeks to lower that to 400,000 shares. So should be some interesting trading. I don't think I'm going to trade it. If I did anything with it, I'd probably buy and hold. As you know, I'm kind of a buy and hold guy. Don't really trade a lot. The trades that I have made, I've made a little bit of money, but just not a great trader. So anyway, again, just wanted to bring this one to your attention. If you haven't really looked at it too close yet, I just thought it was really interesting. Here's some more. Saying is it still worth buying after its 800% plus rally? Analyst weighs in. Again, if you'd like to read this one yourself, I'm not going to read all of it to you. This is just some information on tip ranks that I found was kind of interesting. 3 other analysts who have recently posted an Ocugen review rate the stock as a buy. And whether you go by analyst ratings or not, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they're kind of backwards, but it's good to know. Some people consider it a buy. I consider it a buy. Again, I'm not telling you to buy or sell it. I'm just still watching it. However, the strong buy consensus rating is backed with a 0.9 price target, which implies downside of 68% from the current levels, most likely a result of the stock's meteoric rise and analysts' inability to turn around new price targets so quickly. So again, I don't know if I will be purchasing this one or not. I just find it kind of interesting. If it takes a dip, I may, but You can see it's a little bit over 353% for the year. Again, this just kind of goes over some more information, shows that they're getting into the CV market. Another article here by Reuters that I just thought was kind of interesting. Not really too much outside of what I've already went over. Again, that's on Reuters, so if you'd like to research that one for yourself. But just wanted to make a quick video out there and about Ocugen and see who out there is trading this one or purchasing it or what you're actually doing with it. Again, I found it kind of interesting in regards to some of the action that's been taking place with it a little over the last week and last 2 weeks, and as you can see how it climbs here and just kind of took off. It looks like it might be coming back down, but if we find some support, I might be checking into it. But at this point in time, I do not have any shares of this one, but just wanted to bring it to your attention. Again, I thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do. Again, I'm a growing channel, trying to hit 50 by the end of the year. Go ahead and hit the like button for me. It helps the algorithm. And if you have this one, please leave a comment. Let me know your cost basis as well as how many shares. It would be interesting. And we will see you in the next one. Happy trading and stay green. Thank you for watching.